What is happening? Alright, so we're about to head out to the old pitter track, meet up with the boys. Had to get the right apparel. Got the chest mount ready to go. Got the pit vipers. As you can see, we gonna rep the petters. Let's get it. Gotta slap these boots on real quick. Wherever they went, right there. Best riding boots there is, Carhartt. They'll last you forever. Limited lifetime warranty. Had my stitching rip a little bit. They didn't really like that, so they didn't warranty it. But you know, I'm just gonna deal with it. But yeah, about to head on out. See what the old CRF can do. Gotta get a little country accent to you, so you can ride a little better. All them rednecks tend to give her the beans, and they end up doing pretty good. So, all right, let's go. Shut the light off. Don't want to kill Ray's electric bill. All right, let's give her. Probably should load the bike up first, though, huh? I'll get back to you guys in a second on the way there. Gotta load the bike up. Alright, we got the ramp set up. I gotta get this boy out. Hopefully. Yeah, it's not locked. Alright. And she left the key on, so that's cool. But she fires right up. Not a problem. Probably gonna take one of these straps. Ran out of my own. Let's toss her back there. Alright. Best way to unload the pitter. So you drop the rear wheel like this, like so. You don't want to do it too hot because the exhaust gets hot quick, but you just gonna pick her up here. You're good to go. Now to load the bitch. Sorry, can't be swearing on the vlog. So you just gonna, yeah, you just gotta ride around up there. Just gotta grow some balls. Oh yeah, there she is, baby. Always mint. Pristine. Alright. Oh, did a little burnout there. Okay, shut her down there, Peppy. Alright, try to turn this key off. That has a horrible setup of trying to do. I got that. Honda, come up with a better idea for the key. Help us all out. Don't mind those. Strap. Good. Alright. Strap good. And tight. Always falls off. Every time, 9 times out of 10, it's gonna fall off on you. But it'll be alright. Gotta go get the other one. Yeah. Gotta shut this shit. Good. Might as well load the ramp up. Good. Alright. Alright, snap, crackle, pop. Pop. Pull. Got her get her old good shake down there. Slap her, say she ain't going nowhere, cause she ain't, right? Amen. Give her hell. Time to go ripping, boys. Alright. Ignition good to go. Make sure we got some riding gloves. We got one glove. You like it? It's my chest protector. If I don't eat shit, it's gonna hurt my chest. I got a girl that took a loan out for that truck.
Alright, coming today?
No, she said she wouldn't get the money until Monday. Cause they shit.
13.5?
Yeah, it's listed for 13.5. I don't know if they're gonna try and talk me down. You shouldn't have got rid of those bars, that's for sure. I'm gonna slam the fuck out of my knees on this thing.
I'm with you.
You still haven't got bars on that thing? Ugh.
Who's that?
Huh? They even bought them out. What are you talking about?
Is that Deja's?
No, it's mine. I know.
I thought she had a...
No, she sold it and bought this brand new. Slapped the fucking exhaust on her.
Did you take yours off when you sold it?
She took it off. I wasn't even with her when she sold it. I need to... ripping on it. He hit the tabletop in his Jeep.
Did he really?
Yeah. Holy. I don't know if I got him hit the tabletop though. Definitely got him. He gave her the beans around the corner though.
I think he got air on the front two tires.
Yeah, he did.
Zach, I think when we go riding in the trails this summer, you gotta be behind me and Deja.
Yeah.
We were talking about how I always eat shit, and I was like, but would it be fun if I did?
I mean, it'd be more fun for you, but not everybody
That
else.
video or no?
I don't know what is. I mean, it might have been. I don't know how wide the angle is. Because we were downhill when he fucking went over it.
I know, and all the boys.
The Jeep jumped that bitch, bro.
Tabletop.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not what that was. That.
You just hitting it, because then he hit the straightaway and just fucked.
Tabletop just stepped down it all the way up to the corner.
And then the second corner, I was like, get it, bud. He just drifts another one. I'm like, what the fuck going on?
He was taking the same path as us too. He turned around behind us. What's Ryan at?
I didn't think. I was like, what is he doing? He's going over the tabletop. He just boots it. I'm like, what the?
He's probably trying to freaking climb up that hill.
Yeah, he probably is.
What, the steep hill or something?
Got a little. I haven't tried it yet.
But Ryan can't get up it.
Be nice with my baby.
I want to see him go through the woods.
I am so out of shape. I feel like shit.
I'm about to go over there and see if he goes through the woods.
I can't. Oh, dude. This guy's nuts. So this guy's nuts. Oh shit. Oh. He's insane. He's not even bottoming out. He's a killer. Oh yeah, dude. Crazy. Oh, no way. He went sideways. There's no way. What if he just bombs these boys? Takes out the trees? Giving her hell. Ah, see. Fuckers out here. You stuck on the rock? Right there, man. Cut it the other way and then try to go back. Ain't no rock. You're caught on this rock right here. Oh shit. You got the plastic turn the other way there, and then go in reverse. Yeah. Right? Might have to try and rock it. Yeah, we can try and push him. Yeah, I just took it out, but shit. Yeah, you definitely would have made it over there without that. Alright. Got it. There it is. Yeah, that rock Ryan at?
Oh, it's fine, but...
Oh, fine rock. It's probably laying down somewhere. No more risking it. Buddy just busted a hole through his car.
Wait, no way.
He was going through this little track right here, and there's like this point on the hill, and there's a rock sticking out of it. He was gonna climb over, and it just straight to the plastic. Up this? I don't know, I've never tried it.
I want to be high.
Oh. Yeah, that guy. Man. It looked like a rental, dude, honestly.
It looked like a little kid.
It was. He was like our age, honestly. He got out of that car. His nails were all finger painted and shit. I was like, what? He's like, that's what plastic's for, because the rock just shoved a hole straight through the plastic of the bottom of the Jeep. Yeah, it's a big hole. He's like, that's what plastic's made for. It's there to protect. Yeah. It looked like a rental, dude. It looked like a brand. Oh. Yeah, that guy fucked his car. He jumped the tabletop back here. It looked like a rental, dude. It looked like a brand new fucking Jeep. Either that or his sisters or something. It's like, fuck my family. So we just gotta get speed. You guys ever made it up here without like...
Yeah, I have to like...
With your feet on the ground?
Like almost the top. Did you hit either one of those loops on the side? It fucked you up. Stay to like this side.
If you keep the berm, you'll probably be good.
Yeah, stay to this side and then go
If you
back.
cut in, you're just gonna bounce.
Yeah, right then, right then, yeah.
Into your butt. He put his foot down. Gotta make it all the way, baby. This thing's a wheelie machine now. Not her sideways. Just wants to fucking go backwards, doesn't it?
Like finally got for it.
Oh, not the bearing. Yeah, it's a little loose up there. Hell no!
I didn't do it too slow.
Is he in first gear or second? Or? Oh, buddy! This is why this guy wears his helmet out here. I don't know, dude. First gear might be where it's at. You guys got power in second. I don't.
I don't know. Mine can't do it first, really.
It's a little peppy, but. He's just gonna come ripping through. It's all.
Keep going all the way down. That's like right there.
Oh, there's the case. Very scared it is, homie. As long as you can keep the front on the ground, you're good. There it is. As long as you keep the front
fucking wheel on the ground, you're good. Just gotta keep pressure on the fucking.
Oh, he made it. Yeah, you're like sitting on the tank.
Yeah, I was just standing up the whole time.
Yeah.
What is going on? Oh.
Shit.
I hit that fucking stump right in the middle. That thing sends you up there. Man. Well, that one's gonna be hard because it's all wet soil. Then I got nothing to grip onto on that one. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, get that bitch out of there. There's a sniper tower for the prison. I'm just kidding. Oh shit. Yeah, they're chilling up in the house. What's all the metal for? I wonder what the metal's for. Cause it's like railroad shit.
Oh, it's on the other side.
Yeah, we jump over it every time we come up the hill.